Let's look at choosing and using different templates within a quote. Let's open a project and then select a report to open for editing. We'll navigate to the introduction page in our report and then select the View Templates button and go to Share Templates. This will open up all our options for introduction templates. I'll select this one for insurance. On the quote details page, you have the option of swapping out 1, 2, or all 3 of the tabs. If you want to replace a single tab, select the tab you want to replace, and then click on View Templates, go to Share Templates, and replace with a template such as Hardy Siding. To replace multiple tabs, go to your View Templates button, Share Templates, and then select a template with the list icon beside it. This icon designates templates that have multiple tabs included. When selected, these tabs will overwrite all other tabs. Let's go with a good, better, best template. On the authorization page, it's the same process. If you want to swap out the current optional upgrades for different ones, you'll go to View Templates, Share Templates, and then select a new template. I'm going to use the Hardy optional upgrades, and that is how to use your templates in a report.